on. Hello everybody. This is devlog 2 for monkey mode. Actually, let me commit this. Devlog 2. So we've done some simple things, some more complicated things, some artistry that is temporary. Um, so let's just launch it and talk about it. Okay, so as you saw, there was an opening animation, and then the menu music still plays. So we have a temporary menu design here that is a concept art, and some of it's going to be eventually animated. See, like, yeah, the real image coming soon. As you can see, this the black arrows right here on this monkey are to show some of the animation idea is that monkey's going to be swinging back and forth on the vine on the tree. This is going to be a hut that's overfilled with bananas, so the bananas are animated spilling out. The water's going to be moving. There's going to be some weapons here that some of the monkeys in the game would use. Obviously, now we have a start new game, load save, settings, and quit. If we start a new game, the music ends, and it goes to this thing, so because the game's going to have a different background. This has been pretty simple. So we added, it tells you how much you're going to get a click, because if we click up to 25, this upgrade gives you plus one more, like the cursor starting upgrade in Cookie Clicker, but instead it's a spear monkey, and it tells you how much you own, and the cost is every time you buy it, it starts as 25, and then it's times 1.5, so it goes up. Now you get 2 per click. Now let's say I get up to 50. We have a pause menu that has a separate music. It's the main menu music with rain, and it can resume. Takes you right back here. Everything's still the same. And you can quit. We're going to quit. Now let's reopen. Now instead of start new game, let's click load save. And now you're back here with all your stuff immediately. Now let's talk more about showing this too. So back to here. Now if we click start new game, you're back at the start. I want to talk about also something that is being worked on. The cat is in here. So talk about the pause menu, or I showed the pause menu, but this background is just free clip art. It'll eventually we'll have our own. The menu music is up. The pause menu is up. The pause theme is up. Obviously, if you can see right here, our audio. These are the images. That's the save file. Let's go through some of the code, I guess, real quick. Obviously, you have to do JSON OS, monkey mode to set the caption. The standard font, Courier New, is what I've used. This is where it saves nanners, which is your banana count, your click power, your spear owned, and the cost of it. So it saves all that. And obviously, as you go on, it'll save more. Let's do. Oh, sorry. That's where I just worked on that. Load your main. If you don't, it gives you no thing, and if it pause, if it firmly can't find that file, it fills into like a blue color. I think it's 30 blue. This controls the music. This is the upgrades, the text, the buttons, the menu buttons, which you see menu buttons here and button detection. All this is going to be moved into its own button class eventually. So I'm gonna make a thing over here. It'll be like my main.py. It'll say button.py, and it'll be its own class. So let's rerun the game. So to highlight again, we have a new start that's temporary. That's going to be animated and then done. Actually, I'm working on the settings screen. So right now it just clicks nothing. Let's load save. This is going to have more upgrades, and we're doing our own buttons, so it'll have its own look. It'll still tell you how much you have and how much it costs. And then I'm also going to do an index, so when you hover it, it describes more in detail what it does. But yeah, that is pretty much I'll open the pause theme because it's a good theme. That's pretty much this devlog. It's pretty short, pretty sweet, pretty to the point. But just to show you, we still are progressing. We made this music, and then I just added rain to it for the pause menu. Some copyright-free rain. I didn't make the rain, obviously. This is copyright-free rain. Dun, dun, dun. Anyway, thank you, everybody. See y'all next devlog.